Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 28 Part 2 Ichiban Byoin Hospital Senshu kara atama ga itai desu kara ashita byoin e ikimasu. My head has been hurting since last week, so I will visit the hospital tomorrow. Niban Daidokoro Kitchen Haha wa Daidokoro ni gohan o sukutte imasu. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. Sanban Keiken Experience Watashi wa kono shigoto ni keiken ga arimasu. I have a experience in this job. Yonban Chikara Strength Kono shigoto suru ni wa karada no chikara ga hitsuyo desu. You need a strong, healthy body for doing this job. Ninki Popularity Kono mise wa gaikokujen ni totemo ninki desu. This shop is very famous amongst foreigners. Katachi Shape Kono chawa no katachi wa totemo kirei desu. The shape of this bowl is beautiful. Nanaban Iro Color Donna iro ga suki desu ka? What color do you like? Hachiban Aji Taste Kono mise no aji wa watashi no konomi desu. I like the taste of the food that this shop serves. Kyuban Gamu Chewing Gum Kare wa itsumo gamu o kandeimasu. He is always chewing gum. Juban Shinamono Products Goods Kono shinamono no shitsu ga totemo yoi desu. The quality of these products is great. Juichiban Nedan Cost Price Kono sukato no nedan wa totemo takai desu. The price of this skirt is quite high. Juniban Curio Salary Kono arubaito wa curio ga sukunai desu. The salary of this part-time job is quite less. Grammar point 2 Verb te form imasu. This sentence pattern can also be used to indicate a habitual behavior. Such a behavior taking place in the past is indicated by verb te form imashita. For example, Maiasa joggingu o shite imasu. I go jogging every morning.